Hello fam, I'm back again with some delicious soul food, okay? This is pasta rolls. Let me show you how to make it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Support your sister, okay? All right, guys, so once your water is at a rolling boil, you're gonna go ahead and add your lasagna pasta. Cook it for about 12 minutes, guys. Only 12 minutes. You don't need to overcook it. I've added some garlic and some onion, guys, and whilst it's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce my meat of choice, which is turkey sausage, guys. You don't have to use this. You can use any meat of choice or seafood of choice. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this until it's brown. Now to the cooked sausage, we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of cream cheese with spinach and some crushed pepper, guys. Alright guys, so I would like to apologize. I lost some footage whilst recording my video. I had some issues with my phone. I deeply apologize, but as you can see, I did put the turkey in the food processor. That is why you see it in small bits. I assembled it and added my cheese, and now I'm rolling up my pasta, guys. So this right here is Alfredo sauce, my homemade Alfredo sauce. And please put in the comments if you want to learn how to make this Alfredo sauce. It's very, very easy to make. Now I am assembling my pasta, guys. Look at this. This is just so cute. It looks like little pillows. I just can't get over it. It's so cute. So after assembling it, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cheese, guys. I added cheddar. You can add any kind of cheese of your choice, your favorites. So hey, go ahead and go crazy, okay? The more cheese, the better, okay? We're not eating this every day. This is like a once in a while kind of, soul food treat for us. So, hey, go crazy. But after putting the cheese, I'm gonna come again and add the Alfredo sauce on top and cover it with cheese. And this, you see, is parsley, guys. All right, so now we are ready to bake this delicious meal, guys. 300 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes, and look at how delicious this is, guys. This, I can't even describe it. It was so good, super creamy, super cheesy. The Alfredo sauce just did it, okay? It did what it needed to be done, okay? And the cheese just, romantically brought everything together. And now my mouth is watering. It was so delicious, guys. I would like for you guys to try it and let me know if you liked it or not. I'm sure you will love it, okay? Thank you so much for joining me here once again on First Class Cook, guys. And as I always say, this was truly, truly a banger.